Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You boot into the Windows recovery environment now. That's where repair commands run safely. First, open Command Prompt and use diskpart to confirm the EFI or system partition is present and mounted. You need a drive letter for the EFI/system volume so boot tools can write. If it's missing, assign one. Once done, exit diskpart but keep the prompt open. The rest of the work modifies boot records directly, so make sure you're targeting the correct volume before continuing. You'll execute the core sequence to restore boot records. Start with Bootrec/Fixbootrec to repair the master boot code, then Bootrec/Fixboot to restore the boot sector. After that, run Bootrec/scanos to find Windows installations and Bootrec/rebuild to recreate the boot configuration data. If you get access denied on /Fixboot, don't panic. Use bootsect/nt60sys for legacy or mount the EFI partition and use bcdbootc \Windows to recreate EFI boot files. That resolves most permission issues. You're wrapping up. Remove any temporary drive letters if you assign them, then exit and reboot to test whether Windows starts. If the system still fails, run chkdsk on the Windows volume to fix file system errors that can block BCD rebuilds, then repeat the Bootrec sequence. Make sure you use the correct method for your firmware. UEFI systems need EFI partition and BCD boot, while legacy BIOS uses bootsect and MBR fixes. Aligning method and firmware is the single most common fix if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.